Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that, according to the reports received from several reliable sources at this time, now there is something going to be big in the war between Ethiopian National Defense Force and Tigray Defense Force. According to reports, thousands of soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces are gathering at one place. More information has been received that thousands of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers with dozens of latest trucks, modern heavy weapons, and drones gathered near Dessie. And a video has also been shared about in which all this can be seen, about which I inform you. Viewers, this video I will share with you right now. Last week, Ethiopian National Defense Force, along with its allies, tried to enter the Tigray region. But the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies suffered defeat, and the soldiers of Tigray Defense Force entered the Afar region. And now thousands of soldiers gather on the highway leading to the front line near the city of Dessie. According to witnesses, we saw dozens of trucks, tanks, and armored personnel carriers parked on the side of the road. And after his inauguration as President of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed sends thousands of new soldiers backed by the latest trucks, weapons, and drones for a new attack on the Tigray. Viewers, on the other hand, Sky News also confirmed that Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's forces are preparing new engagements with the Tigray Defense Force as thousands train on gravel roads of the A2 highway near to the front line of the conflict, and said heading north along Ethiopia's A2 highway. We quickly noticed that the road had turned into an elongated car park for the country's military, the Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, near the city of Dessie, in the region of Amhara, we saw dozens of trucks, tanks, and armored personnel carriers parked by the side of the road. Every few kilometers or so, we were stopped by surprised looking soldiers who asked us to produce our papers. We were heading towards the front line in a nasty civil war between the national government and their partners in Amhara and the region of Tigray. The two sides have been massing their forces and trading blows on the fields and mountain slopes close to the highway. But here, I want to edit that Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara forces, Amhara militias, Afar forces, Afar militias, and Eritrean army on one side, and Tigray Defense Force is on other side. So viewers, let's watch the video, then we will talk further. Viewers, on the other hand, while the Ethiopian National Defense Force is preparing for a major attack, the Tigray Defense Force will certainly take all possible steps to defend itself and respond to the attacks. Of course, the Tigray Defense Force will also prepare thousands of soldiers, and similar videos are being shared by the Tigray Defense Force, in which Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen dancing with civilians on Tigrayan songs. This creates a new spirit in the citizens and also in the soldiers. And citizens then join the army for the protection of their country and their freedom. The Tigray Defense Force has shared the latest video in which soldiers can be seen dancing with civilians. So viewers, let's watch the video. Thanks for watching. Say